Did you know that banks have been keeping secrets from you? Secrets that could save you thousands of dollars every year. What if I told you there are hidden loopholes in your credit card that banks don't want you to know? Yes, you heard it right. These are legal hacks that smart people use to maximize their credit card benefits, avoid hidden fees, and even earn free money. But the question is, why don't banks tell you about these tricks? The answer is simple: because they profit when you don't know. So, if you have a credit card or plan to get one, then watch this video till the end because I'm about to reveal 5 shocking credit card hacks that can completely change the way you use your card. And trust me, number 3 is something banks will never want you to find out. 1. The 0% APR Balance Transfer Trick. Many people struggle with credit card debt and end up paying high interest rates, sometimes as much as 25–30% annually. But what if I told you there's a way to stop paying interest completely, at least for a while? Here's how it works. Many credit cards offer a 0% APR balance transfer for new customers. This means if you have a huge balance on your current card, you can transfer that debt to a new card and pay 0% interest for up to 18 months. That's a year and a half of no interest. Imagine how much money you could save. But here's the catch: banks don't want you to fully utilize this hack. They hope you miss a payment so they can charge you late fees and penalties. But if you use this trick smartly, you can pay off your debt without giving banks a single extra dollar. Question for you: have you ever paid high interest on a credit card? Let me know in the comments how much you've been charged, it might shock you. 2. The hidden free travel hack. Imagine flying business class for free or staying in a 5-star hotel without paying a dime. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. This is called credit card travel hacking, and banks don't want you to know how to use it. Most premium credit cards offer huge sign-up bonuses, sometimes 50,000 to 100,000 points just for signing up and spending a certain amount within the first 3 months. These points can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and even cash back. But here's the real trick: if you and your spouse or family member apply for the same card and combine points, you can travel for free multiple times a year. Some smart travelers have saved $10,000 or more just by using this hack. Quick challenge: if you could travel anywhere for free, where would you go? Type your dream destination in the comments. 3. The secret: chargeback protection banks hide from you. This is a game changer, and most people have no idea it exists. Have you ever bought something online and later regretted it? Maybe the product was faulty, or the company refused a refund. Well, your credit card has a hidden protection that allows you to get your money back, even if the store refuses. This is called a chargeback request, and it's a powerful consumer right that most people never use because banks don't promote it. If a merchant scams you, delivers a defective product, or refuses to refund, you can call your credit card company and request a chargeback. They will investigate, and in many cases, you'll get your full money back within days. Shocking fact: 85% of people never use this trick because they don't know about it. Have you ever been scammed online? Let me know in the comments. 4. The interest-free cash advance trick. Normally, if you withdraw cash using a credit card, banks charge you huge interest and fees. But what if I told you there's a way to get a cash advance with 0 interest? Here's the trick: many credit cards offer promotional 0% interest periods for new customers. Instead of withdrawing cash and paying huge fees, you can use a service like Plastic or PayPal Key to send money to yourself and withdraw it later without any interest. This is a huge loophole that banks hate because it allows you to get an interest-free loan for months. Shocking reality: most people never use this trick because banks keep it buried deep in the terms and conditions. 5. The ultimate late payment loophole. Ever missed a credit card payment and got hit with a $40 late fee? Well, here's a little known hack: you can get that fee removed instantly just by asking. Most banks automatically remove the first late fee if you call customer service and politely ask for a one-time courtesy waiver. But here's the real secret: if you have a good history, you can keep requesting late fee waivers multiple times a year. This trick has saved some people hundreds of dollars without any effort. Have you ever paid a late fee on your credit card? Comment yes if you have, or no if you always pay on time. And there you have it: 5 powerful credit card hacks that banks never want you to know. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit the like button because it helps spread this knowledge to more people. Also, let me know in the comments which hack surprised you the most. If you want more money saving tips and financial hacks, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications because we have more powerful secrets coming soon.